Hey everyone, so we're working on a 16 by 20 today. I'm going to go back to doing a cloud pour. I just slapped some white down so my canvas is wet when we tilt. I am using the milk paint for the cloud pour and a few colors that I have mixed up that are our Parage Posse paints. So I'm going to start with our Galaxy Blue. Oh, sorry, this is Carolina Blue. Gosh, pretty bad when I don't even know the own names, right? And I have those in the jars and in ready to pour bottles. I'll follow that with some copper. This is copper penny. Put a little bit of milk paint there. And then I'm going to go with our Galaxy Blue. None of these have silicone. And some gold. And then I'm going to try some of our morning pansy. And follow that with some more of the copper penny. A little bit of milk paint. I'll go back and use the rest of this Carolina Blue. And some gold. And the rest of the copper penny. And just a touch of milk paint. Alright. Plenty of paint. We're already wet, so we're good. So I'm going to ring pour this. Catch that last drip. I'm going to give it a torch before I tilt. I can already see something going on here. It's a big canvas, so let's see if I can keep it in frame. Really loving that purple in there. I'll take it off that corner so I can keep this purple. Bringing it all back down. And I'm going to head for this corner. Bring it back to the middle. The Carolina Blue is there. One little spot that didn't want to move. Copper penny looks pretty. Okay. So let's see if I can get you out of the glare. And we're going to let it sit. There we go. It's a little better. Let's let it set 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, I'm back. Is this cool or what? I am really loving the results on this. Let me just show you some spots. So this is our bottom right corner. A lot of copper there. And then this little spot here is cool too. A lot of cloud effect up in the corners on the top. And then this is so pretty right here. And then of course our center. So I'm going to turn it around because that's the way I'm looking at it. So this is the way that I think it should hang. And it's really pretty. So I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell so you'll get notified of upcoming videos. Click like and share this video. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I think that 10-minute mark is just amazing how much it changes in 10 minutes, isn't it? Check out all the links below. Our paint pouring, mixing videos are down below. Contact me at Christina Welch Art at yahoo.com if you're interested in purchasing our ready-to-pour paint or our paint in the jars that you can mix yourself. There's 5 ounces in there to mix. For more info, you can always reach out to me. Stone Coat, Art Coat, Resin Coat is below as well. So many links. So have a great day, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye now.